Welcome to the Artificial Professor, and in this video I will explain how to download videos from Twitter. Let's start the process. Open your Twitter app. Now here is the video and I will show you how can you download. And by following this step, you can download all the videos from your Twitter. And what you have to do, simply tap on the share icon, which is the right bottom of the video, and tap on the option copy link. Now close the Twitter app and open your mobile phone browser. From here, write the same like I am writing, Twitter Video Downloader. And tap on this first option. Now simply paste the link of the video and tap on the option, download it, start processing, and choose the quality in which you want to download your video. Like I will choose this. As you see, the video is start downloading. Now tap on the option open to make sure it download the same video as you see it. So by this way, you can download videos from Twitter. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video of Artificial Professor.